Hi, today we're going to be making shrimp tacos on the Tembotusk Skottle. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at The Woods Online. Thanks!
All right.
Hi, today we're making shrimp tacos on the Skottle. Yum! Okay, that sucked. Can we do it again?
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, today we're going to be making shrimp tacos on the Tembotusk Skottle.
All right.
Does it look dorky?
Mm-mm.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I eat it now?
Yeah. Go ahead. I'm filming you.
Mmm. You're going to cut all that out, right?
No.
No, I'm going to go eat. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, let's start again. Hi. Nope. Sorry, you got a lot of blooping to do. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. And you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at The Woods Online. Thanks. That seemed very dorky.
It was.
Okay. Let me try it again.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Twitter. My shrimp is getting